Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. The car has 1,182 miles, so I don't need to go far to know that this car is gonna drive absolutely perfect, but we're still gonna do a road test. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Steering feels good. Brakes are perfect. When you apply the brakes, the steering wheel does not shake or shimmy. Car has an awesome turning radius. Shift's perfect. Because it has next to no miles on it, I'm not going to get on it, but it definitely wants to go. I have no complaints with this car inside and out. It is absolutely perfect and would pass as brand new on a showroom floor. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So the entire front clip is wrapped in PPF paint protection film. That also includes the headlights and the side mirrors. So fully protected, keeping that paint nice and pretty. Looking at this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looks perfect. Calipers look amazing. Carbon ceramics look really good. Starting here on the fender. The PPF goes around the emblem, so you can see that. All of that looks good. Now looking at the film here, this edge has a slight discoloration to it. Almost looks purplish pink, and that's just in the film, if you can see that. And I almost wonder if this had a red car cover on it and it kind of stained it, because it's just around those edges. A-pillar looks perfect. All of that looks amazing. I don't see any flaws there. No chips on the door edge. All of that looks good. That wheel's perfect. I don't see any damage anywhere on this car so far. All of this looks amazing. All right, looking at the front, like I said, full front clip PPF. Headlight there looks amazing. Scanning the hood. I don't see any damage. That headlight looks perfect. And then getting up close here, I don't see any rock chips or rock impacts. They did a really good job on that PPF. I'm not seeing any flaws here. I'm going to see very minor rash right there. All of that feels perfect. There's no rash there. The rest of that's good. So the only rash is right here. That's very, very subtle. Get some of those little frayed parts off. And you're not going to see that at all. And all of this looks beautiful. Okay, checking out the driver's side, starting with the front left wheel. Absolutely perfect. Looks amazing. All of that looks good. This mirror has that light discoloration around the edge. Like I said, I think this had a red car cover on it, and it may have put a little bit of red onto that PPF. And that's film though, that's fully protected. It's not on the paint. A-pillar looks good. I don't feel any chips on that. I don't see any flaws here. Looking at that wheel, looks awesome. There's really not much to pick apart on this card. It looks brand new. Alright, checking back here. Starting with the top side, you do have PPF around this whole piece, and that's where the top sets on it, so it's there to protect it. All of this looks amazing. I don't see any imperfections here. Taillight looks perfect. These exhaust tips look amazing. Have like a bronze or a goldish hue to them. They look really cool. All of this looks brand new. All right, checking out the back here, and of course there is a red car cover, so that is why these side mirrors have that light red hue to them from that fabric kind of rubbing off onto that PPF. All of this though looks amazing. Then here's the plaque. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it still looks and smells brand new. There's really not much to pick apart in here. All of this looks amazing. All the carbon trim looks good. This interior color is crazy cool. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the red accents. Looking at that bolster, it's perfect. I don't see any flaws. All of that looks brand new. Looking at the steering wheel, I don't see any flaws on it. Looking at the upper dash, looks good. All of this looks perfect. This is as close to brand new as you are gonna find. There is really nothing to pick apart on this car. Here on the passenger panel, looks absolutely perfect. I don't see any scuffs or flaws. Got the carbon trim here, looks amazing. Carpets are perfect. I don't see any wear on that bolster. That looks good. Got the red seat belts. The seat looks perfect. All of this looks amazing. I'm not seeing any flaws that stand out. And then all of this looks perfect as well.